Now, our motto determine, first of all, read the question. Find the time in which the smaller block reaches the other end of the bigger block in the figure. Okay, that's a smaller block and that is a bigger block, like that one. Okay, now coefficient of friction, static friction, coefficient of static friction and coefficient of dynamic friction given corresponding to these two blocks, that is in between, that is 0.3. Okay, coefficient of static friction and coefficient of dynamic friction are same, corresponding to these two contact. Okay, from 2 kg and 8 kg block. Now second question, second one, coefficient of static friction and dynamic kinetic friction both are same, this will equal to 0 corresponding to plane and 8 kg. That surface in between two surfaces, that is given like that one. It means this surface are smooth, this surface are smooth, clear or not? And length of this block, okay, the length of bigger block is how much given? 3 meter. Okay, so how can do it? Our motto determine time. This block moving, in which time that block reach the end of the bigger block. Okay, our motto determine time. How many take time? Okay, so first of all, I don't know both are moving, sorry, this one is sliding or not, 2 kg. Okay, I don't know, maybe slide or not. Clear? If this one is slide, then this one reach end of the 8 kg block. Otherwise, if this one is not slide, if both are moving same acceleration, then this one never catch up this end of this end. Okay, so how can do it? First of all, we have taken both are moving same acceleration. Then okay, so we have, first of all, we have made free body diagram of 2 kg block and 3 kg block, step by step. 2 kg, here applied 10 Newton, that is 2 kg block. Here 8 kg block. Indirect contact force downward, how much? We have taken 2G, 2G means 10 Newton, 20 Newton, because of G this is equal to 10 meter per second square here. So now here that is 8G, so you can say that 80 Newton. Clear or not? This surface apply on 2 kg block, how much? N1 force. Okay, and this surface also apply how much force? N2. Okay, clear or not? Now next target, let first of all let both block moving together with acceleration A, clear or not? A. Suppose that we have considered both are moving with same acceleration, maybe moving or not, it's also decided by other parameter also. Okay, so first of all, if you consider both are moving with same acceleration, now look here, this is 8 kg block, and this surface is smooth, and here that is 2 kg block. We are apply force here, clear? Listen very carefully, look very carefully. We are apply force here. Okay, so this one is moving, clear? If you apply here, then force there, this block is moving corresponding that one. But why that block is moving? If you consider both are moving in same direction, if you consider both are moving same direction with same acceleration. Why this block is also moving? Because of due to friction. Why? Both are contact force between these two. Okay, so 2 kg block apply force on 3 kg block, frictional force in which direction? Applied force direction like that one. So frictional force also apply here. So this block is moving in this direction, Fr. Clear or not? This block is moving like that one. Now look here, apply force here. If this one apply force Fr in this direction, so this one also apply Fr force in opposite direction. Otherwise this one moving corresponding to that one. Clear or not? Unbalanced force due to Newton's third law. If this one apply force in here Fr like that one, then this one is also apply force in that direction, frictional force for balancing. Otherwise unbalanced, that is Fr. Clear or not? So Fr is written as how much? 8 into A, because of both are moving same oscillation, that's why 8 A1. Now here 8 minus Fr, this will equal to 2A. So what about A? A is written as 1 meter per second square. Clear? What about N1? N1 this will equal to 20 Newton. N1 this will equal to 20 Newton. Look. What about Fr? Fr this will equal to 8 into 1, that is 8 Newton. What about limiting friction? Here limiting friction and kinetic friction both are same. Why? Because of mu s and mu k are given same value, that's why. So you can mu s into N1 written or mu k into N1 written. That is 0.3 into 20, that is 6 Newton. That is 6 Newton. Clear or not? That is 6 Newton. Okay? This one is a 6 Newton. Now next target. FL this will equal to FK, this will equal to 6 Newton. Now next target. Our motto. Check. If Fr is greater than limiting value, look, Fr is greater than limiting value, it means relative motion are possible. So that is relative motion in between both blocks. Clear or not? Why? You look here. We are apply force here. Applied force how much? 10 Newton. Frictional force, required frictional force here generate how much? 8 Newton. Means if you want both are moving together, requirement frictional force here 8 Newton, but these two are provide here frictional force, maximum limiting frictional force provide here only 6. It means the relative motion is possible. Relative motion is possible means what is the meaning of maintaining this one? Means we apply force here, then this one is going on here, and okay, both are moving but different acceleration. Both are moving with different acceleration. Why? Because of requirement frictional force here 8. You given friction maximum provide frictional force 6. Okay, maximum requirement is 8, but we have provide 6. So relative motion is possible. Okay, both are not moving same acceleration. So both are moving upward direction but different acceleration. So you can say the relative motion possible in between these two. Okay, clear or not? So relative motion possible in between these two. So you can say that. Now first of all make it, after that we have discussed another diagram. So you can say that this one is moving A1 oscillation and this is A2 oscillation. Okay. During motion, if both are moving, so what about frictional force? Here Fk and here also Fk. Kinetic frictional force develop, because during motion which force develop? Which frictional force develop? Kinetic frictional force. So clear or not? Now look here. Fk this is equal to 8 into A2. So what about A2? A2 is written as Fk is how much? That is 6 Newton and this is also 6 Newton. So 6 by 8. So you can say that A2 is here, this value is 6. So 6 by 8, or you can say the 3 by 4 meter per second square. Now look here, 8 minus Fk, this is equal to 2 into A1. Here 10 minus 6, this is equal to 2A1. So what about A1? A1 this is equal to 2 meter per second square. Okay. Now we are focused on that one. Our motto, determine time. Okay. Our motto, find the time in which a smaller block reach other end of the bigger block. Clear or not? Our motto, determine time. So first of all, determine relative oscillation between, because both are moving same direction. Here A1, here A2. So if you sit on that if you sit here and see this block, means relative velocity, relative oscillation occurs between these two. So you can say that, written here, acceleration of 2 kg block with respect to 8 kg block, that is A dash this is equal to A1 minus A2. Okay. You sit here, see this velocity, this acceleration means A1 minus A2 simply. A1 minus A2. So that is 2 minus 3 by 4, 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 4 meter per second square. Clear or not? I know that S this is equal to ut plus half at square. What about S? That is 3. Initial velocity of this block, u this is equal to 0. So put here 0 plus half. What about A? 5 by 4 into t square. So t is written as 2 under root 6 by 5. That is 2.16 second. This is the final answer. Okay, make it.